Hi, my name's Emily Pike and I'm one of the physiotherapists and Phits experts here at the Blackberry clinic. We're delighted to be able to offer the new 3D printed custom orthotics based on the latest foot scan technology.
Our Phits certified clinician uses foot scan technology to analyse the biomechanics of your feet during a dynamic gait assessment. The results are then used to design and custom make personalised orthotics which are 3D printed to fit your exact requirements. At Blackberry Clinic, we believe that Phits 3D printed orthotics are the most specific and bespoke orthotics available. The orthotics are designed to suit your gait pattern rather than a static measurement or static foot position as per traditional cast orthotics. The assessment is a simple process. Static, balance and dynamic measurements are taken using the foot scan plate and software. The system has over 8,000 high-speed sensors accurately analysing each movement and providing detailed pressure information. This produces a comprehensive report on gait and postural analysis using highly accurate and evidence-based pressure technology. Our Phits expert can then discuss findings using graphs and images. Phits technology has proven to be the most accurate bespoke device available today, with 0.1mm of accuracy and over 8 million corrective measurement combinations. Phits 3D printed custom orthotics can be used in any type of shoe, as there are different styles available for sporting or everyday activities. They are customised to enable you to reach your full potential, whether you are a professional or recreational athlete or just physically active. We're able to choose from a range of top colours, including the D3O material, which is a leader in impact protection whilst providing optimal comfort and energy return. Please see our website or give us a call if you are interested in finding out more or to book an appointment.